Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing good. If you're planning a Dalhousie tour and looking for a comfortable accommodation in a convenient location, in that case, this video might help you. In today's video, I'm doing a hotel tour of Dalhousie Hight at Lovers Lane, very close to Dalhousie bus depot. Dalhousie Hight is a 3-star hotel, offer very comfortable accommodation at a very convenient location. I have booked this hotel on the basis of Google review, and I am happy with their rooms, services and location. And that is the reason I am making this video, so that it will help you also. Now, let's go to the room. I am traveling with my family, so I have booked their interconnected room. This is my room. Rooms are quite spacious, offer a king-size bed with a sitting area and a balcony. Rooms too have centralized heater, so you don't have to worry about the temperature. This is the another room which is interconnected. This room also has king size bed, sitting area and balcony. As it is very necessity, both the room has centralized heater. Both the rooms has private washroom. Washroom is simply designed with cubic shower and a geyser. Hotel 2 offer small kids play area, which can be useful if you're traveling with kids. Hotel 2 have small open lawn if you're planning a private party or a wedding function. This is the coffee shop where we are having our dinner right now. Your breakfast will be served in this restaurant. It is advisable to keep your window closed to avoid monkey as a guest. I hope you like this hotel tour. Please like, share and comment your feedback. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.